Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. so I'm being kind of quiet. I've been up since 5. Couldn't really sleep last night, but I'm going to work out at 7, and then after that, Nick and I are gonna go over to the new place and basically do our own deep clean. It obviously was cleaned before we moved in, but I think the unit was vacant for a while, and I don't know, I always feel better doing my own clean with my own products. I'm gonna like bleach the crap out of everything, vacuum, Swiffer, just wipe down everything, and I need to buy cleaning supplies for the new place anyway, so I figure may as well go buy it. Hello. I'm also gonna film an empty apartment tour that'll be separate, or maybe I'll wait until we've done some renovations. I don't really know. Anyway, not gonna rant for too long, so I'm just gonna gather my cleaning supplies, have a little waffle, get my workout clothes on, and then I'll be off to the races.
It's Friday.
It's Friday. I forgot my vlog camera at the apartment, so we're on my phone. We're gonna go into Target and buy some cleaning supplies.
Time to clean the new place.
Time to clean the new place. Okay. These are my favorite carts in the entire world. Oh, because they're so little and cute, but they like totally do the job. I'm always tempted to just get like everything from the home section. It's very unfair to my wallet. Oh yeah, carpet cleaner. Oh, we just ran into my friend Kiko. I didn't even vlog the clip, but she recognized Nick before me, which was cool. Anyway, this is my favorite spray in all the land. During COVID, when this was like sold out everywhere, I freaked out when I walked into a Target and found it. I'm such a nerd for it. Other than this, I really want to be mostly using reusable containers and just stock up in bulk so that I'm not like wasting all this material. But I am gonna get this. We're getting just a bunch of kind of temporary stuff right now. So here we go. We need hand soap and dish soap. Let me know if you have any favorite brands of that are like eco-friendly. Honeysuckle it is. Oh yeah. Oh, that's my face. We're gonna get a good smeller to really make it smell like it's our own. Okay. Bless you. All right. We stopped and got some breakfast. What do I want? What's on this one? I got some gluten-free avocado toast with salmon. Nick got some sandwich situation. And then we also got some donuts. That's good. How's yours? Solid. Only bummer, realized we don't have a lighter for this candle, so don't get creative real quick with ye old burners.
No.
What do you mean no? Yes, 1000%. I guess that's a little sketchy.
Yeah. No. Don't stick
Nick's not happy. Use your brain. Why are you being mean? I was using my brain.
Be careful, we ready to blow that thing out.
I did it. Well, that was sketchy, but got her done. Nice. Bedroom number 2. My hands were like so dry from the bleach spray, but I feel really good about this, so. Doesn't look like much, but Okay guys, phase 1 of cleaning is complete. We took a little break and went to the internet store to get our Wi-Fi situation all taken care of. So I feel really good. All of our utilities are taken care of. And now we're gonna go to Living Spaces to check out some like potential couches. We weren't gonna buy a couch, but now we're thinking maybe we will. TBD, but they're having a Labor Day weekend sale, and I forgot that when furniture stores have sales, they're lit. Let's f***ing go. But then we'll be back at some point either today or Sunday to like clean more and do the rest of everything. All right, you guys, it's the next day right now, so we're gonna pick up in the next vlog with some work that we're doing next, which will be sampling the paint, changing out the light and fan because we got a new one, and a couple other things. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.